Hello everyone. ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಕಸ್ಟಮ್ ಡ್ಯೂಟಿದು ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ನಾನು. ಇದು ಬಂದು ಬ್ಯಾಂಗ್ಳೂರು ಯೂನಿವರ್ಸಿಟಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಕೇಳಿರೋಂಥ ಕ್ವೆಶನ್ ಇದು May 2019 ಫಾರ್ 6th semester BComಗೆ. Let's go through the problem. Mr. Bharat imports by air from USA a machine along with relevant accessories and spares for the value US dollar 1,20,000 FOB. The other details are as follows. Commission to local agent in India rupees 27,000. Freight and insurance from airport to factory godown rupees 30,000. Freight US dollar 36,000 US to India. Goods are insured. Premium amount is not shown in invoice and not available. At the request of Mr. Bharat, US dollar 6,000 has been incurred as expenses for improving the design of the machine, but the same is not reflected in the invoice. Basic customs duty is 15%, social welfare surcharge 10%, and IGST 18%. Lastly, exchange rate to be considered, US dollar 1 is equal to 72. So this is the problem. And asked for 14 marks. In this problem you have to solve both assessable value and customs duty payable. Let's solve the problem now. Mr. B imports by air from USA a machine along with relevant accessories and space. So here is an importer called Mr. Bharat. So they are going to import some machine along with the accessories and space from US. For that, the value for the machine is in US dollar 1,20,000, which is FOB. FOB means free on board. And other details are as follows. First is given commission to local agent in India rupees 27,000. So commission to local agent means it's a selling commission. So selling commission should be added to FOB value. Next, freight and insurance from airport to factory godown. In rupees it is given 30,000. Whatever the freight and insurance after importation should not be added, should not be considered for customs value. And next is freight in US dollar 36,000 from US to India. So freight andre transportation cost adu. So this should be added to FOB. So goods are insured, premium amount is not shown in invoice and not available. So insurance is also one of the cost which can be added to FOB value. Here premium amount is not shown in invoice and not available. When insurance premium is not known or it is not available means you have to take 1.125% on FOB value. Next, at the request of Mr. Bharat, US dollar 6,000 has been incurred as expenses for improving the design of the machine, but the same is not reflected in the invoice. So when it is not reflected, we have to add to FOB cost. Next is basic customs duty. So ಈ ಒಂದು ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಬಂದು ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಕಸ್ಟಮ್ಸ್ ಡ್ಯೂಟಿಗೆ ಬರೋವಂಥದ್ದು. ಸೊ ಬೇಸಿಕ್ ಕಸ್ಟಮ್ಸ್ ಡ್ಯೂಟಿ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಅವ್ರು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ 15%, and this should be calculated on assessable value. Next, social and welfare charges 10%. This has to be calculated on BCD, that is basic customs duty. Next is IGST 18%. This has to be calculated by adding the assessable value, basic customs duty and social welfare charges. Adding all together, then you have to calculate 18% of IGST. And exchange rate is given, it is $1 is equal to 72. Usually CBEC rate of exchange we have to consider. When it is not mentioned in the problem, we have to take as it is. So $1 72 rupees. First let us calculate assessable value. For that, first we have to take FOB, that is free on board price. Free on board price is given 1,20,000 in US dollar. So for in the column of US dollar I am going to write 1,20,000. Next, we have to add other charges. So usually we add freight and insurance first, then other charges will be added. So first let us add freight charges. So in the problem it is mentioned that air freight. So in this in the first line itself they have mentioned Mr. Bharat imports by air freight. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಗೂಡ್ಸನ್ನು ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫರ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು ಕಂಟ್ರಿಯಿಂದ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಕಂಟ್ರಿಗೆ ಮೋಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಪೋರ್ಟು ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಸಮ್ಟೈಮ್ಸ್ ಅವರು ಥ್ರೂ ಶಿಪ್ಪಲ್ಲಿ ಕಳಿಸ್ಬೋದು ಅಥವಾ ಏರ್ ಮೂಲಕ ಕಳಿಸ್ಬೋದು. ಸೊ ಬೇಸ್ಡ್ ಆನ್ ದಟ್ ಈ ಫ್ರೈಟ್ ಚಾರ್ಜಸ್ನ ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಏರ್ ಫ್ರೈಟ್ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಇನ್ಯಾವುದೇ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಪೋರ್ಟೇಷನ್ ಇದ್ದರೆ ಆ್ಯಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಮೆನ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಾರೆ ಅದನ್ನೇ ತೊಗೋತೀರಾ. ಬಟ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಏರ್ ಫ್ರೈಟನ್ನು ಅವ್ರು ಮೆನ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ನೀವು actual freight charges and 20% on FOB, between these two you have to consider whichever is less. So first I'll write actual air freight or 20% on FOB. So actual is given in US dollar 36,000. 20% on FOB means 1,20,000 into 20%. So you will get 24,000. So out of these two you have to consider whichever is less. So lesser amount you have to take. Lesser amount is 24,000. Next you have to add insurance. So in the problem they have mentioned that insurance premium is not known or it is unavailable. For that we have to take 1.125% off on FOB value. So FOB is 1,20,000 into 1.125. You will get 1,350. Next let us add other things. Next is commission is there. So commission is given in Indian rupee. So later we will add it. Then freight is done. Freight is over. Then goods insurance is over. And next design charges. Next we have to add design charges. Design charge is given in US dollar 6,000. That's all. So now we'll total this. You will get 1,51,350. So we have to convert this to Indian rupee. 1,51,350 into exchange rate is given 72 rupees. Once you convert it, you will get 1,08,97,200. Now let us add selling commission. Selling commission is given in Indian rupee. It is 27,000. So after adding it, you will get 1,09,24,200. And next we have to show 1% loading and unloading charges.
ಇನ್ಶೂರೆನ್ಸ್ ಅದು ಪರ್ಸೆಂಟೇಜಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕೋಬೇಕು. ನನ್ನ ರೈಟಿಂಗಲ್ಲಿ ಮಿಸ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ 1.125%. ಸೊ ಮೇಕ್ ಇಟ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಇನ್ ಟು ಪರ್ಸೆಂಟೇಜ್. 2017ಇಂದ ಲೋಡಿಂಗ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಅನ್ಲೋಡಿಂಗ್ ಚಾರ್ಜಸ್ನ ತೆಗೆದಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ನೌ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಅಪ್ಲಿಕಬಲ್.
So total you will get 1,09,24,200. This is assessable value. Now let us calculate customs duty payable. So for that, first we have to take assessable value. Assessable value we have already calculated. It is 1,09,24,200. For that, first we have to calculate basic customs duty. Basic customs duty, which is given in the problem, it is 15%. We have to calculate on assessable value. assessable value 1,09,24,200 into 15%. The amount you get is 16,38,630. On both the columns you have to write the amount. The last column is for customs duty payable. We have to write here. For the purpose of IGST, we have to write in the first column also. Next we have to calculate surcharge, social and welfare surcharge. If it is not given also, you have to calculate this. For surcharge purpose, you have to take BCD. On BCD, you have to calculate surcharge 16,38,630 into 10%. $1,63,863. Next, we'll total the first column for the calculation of IGST. The amount you get is 1,27,26,693. On this amount, you have to calculate IGST at 18%. One crore 27,26,693 into 18%. You get is 22,90,805. Directly you can write a outer column. Let's total this. So amount you get is 40. The amount you get is 40,93,298. This is total customs duty. So this is how you have to calculate both assessable value and customs duty payable.